Friends, in this video we are going to discuss question number 20 from the chapter 1 of Newton ISC physics. Friends, now the question says, what will be the intensity of electric field in which an electron experiences an electric force equal to its weight? So we know that whenever a charged particle is placed in any electric field, it experiences a force given by the formula F is equals to Q times E. Now in this, F stands for the magnitude of the force, Q stands for the magnitude of the charge, and E stands for electric field in which the charge is placed. Now friends, the question asks me what will be the intensity of an electric field in which an electron experiences an electric force. So this is an electron, and how much force they are saying it experiences? It experiences a force which is equal to its weight, and let's say the weight happens to be m into g. Now the force experienced by any charged particle in electric field was Q into E. So the force experienced by the electron happens to be equal to its weight, so I am putting it as mg is equals to QE. I need to know the magnitude of the electric field, so the magnitude of the electric field E happens to be mg by Q. Now what is m? M happens to be the mass of an electron, which is 1.6 into, sorry friends, mass of an electron, that happens to be 9.1 into 10 raised to the power of minus 31 into G happens to be 9.8 upon the charge carried by electron happens to be 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, friends. So let's solve it out. This comes out to be 5.57 into 10 raised to the power of minus 11 Newton per Coulomb. Now this is the magnitude of the electric field, friends. Now for protons, the formula still remains the same, F is equals to QE, but here what I am going to do, I am going to put the mass of proton. So let's say the mass of proton will again be mass of the proton into G is equals to Q times E, or therefore E is equals to mass of proton, that happens to be 1.67 into 10 raised to the power of minus 27, and the charge of electron happens to be 1.6 into 10 raised to the power of minus 19. The formula remains the same because you are still finding out the electric field. So E is equals to mass of the proton into gravity upon charge of the proton, friends. So here you need to put everything with reference to the charge of proton, friends. Now solving it out, and on solving this comes out to be 1.02 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton per Coulomb. Now friends, there is a little discrepancy over here. It is 1.04 and this is 1.02. Probably the one reason can be I have taken it as 9.8 and something like that. Otherwise the result is going to be perfectly fine. Friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a like or comment. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज डू द सेम. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video is loaded you get the notification. Take care, and we will meet back again with a new video and a new solution. Thank you, friends.